everyone, what's up? It's your girl Shruti and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys 5 hacks using lip balm. So without further ado, let's get started.
Hey, feeling good, like I should. When in dark, walk around the neighborhood.
The lip balm that I'll be using in today's video is by the brand Arata. It's their all natural, literally zero chemical product, and all the ingredients are 100% plant based. So it's a super great all natural ingredient product. It does not have parabens, sulfate, silicones or added color in it. It's a clear lip balm with cocoa butter, lemon and mentha oil in it. It does have a tingling and cooling sensation when you apply it on your lips, and it provides really hydrated and moisturized lips. It's a 100% natural lip balm that keeps your lips soft and hydrated throughout the day. Arata Lip Balm will keep your lips looking flawless and protects from chapping in 100% natural way. I got this lip balm from Bulbul shop and I'll leave all the links in the description down below, so don't forget to check it out. And now let's get started with the hacks. Hack number 1 is to use your lip balm to get more pigmented eyeshadow look. You can easily use a lip balm to intensify the look of your eyeshadow, and all you have to do is take an eyeshadow brush and apply a little bit of lip balm on it. Next, pick the eyeshadow of your choice and you can clearly see the difference in pigmentation. This will intensify your eyeshadow look to give a more vibrant color. Hack number 2 is to use lip balm on your dry patches. Now that the winter season is coming up, being a dry skin girl, I struggle a lot with dry patches on my face, and a great hack is to use and layer a little bit of lip balm on those dry patches, especially around the nose area for some extra hydration and relief. Hack number 3 is to use lip balm to slip off stubborn rings that is stuck and just does not want to come off. Apply a generous amount of lip balm around the ring area, massage it in and wiggle the ring, and it will come right off. Hack number 4 is to use a lip balm as an eyebrow gel. For days when you're at your friend's house for a sleepover and forgot to carry your eyebrow gel, just use a clear lip balm and apply it onto the brows, and this is going to keep your eyebrows in place and not budge. This will give a nice and clean look to the brows. Hack number 5 is to use a lip balm on your eyelashes for a no makeup look. Go ahead and curl your lashes and then apply the lip balm. This will hold the curl for a longer period of time, also giving it a wet look so it looks like you're wearing a mascara. A bonus tip to keep up with the no makeup look is to use a lip balm as a highlighter on your cheeks and high points of your face. You can apply lip balm on your cheeks, bridge of your nose, cupid bow to highlight those areas. So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed my video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And all the links will be in the description down below, so don't forget to check it out. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
I had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that list.